So, dear students, you can make out in the slide it is presented. He is Puneet Kumar from final year mechanical engineering. Currently, he is studying 7th semester. It's a proud moment for me to introduce my beloved student who has been always an active student who have taken part in various activities of the institution from past 4 years. A very good academic profile, in fact, it is not good, it is excellent. Puneet is having a great SGPA on all his semester performances, and it is somewhere at one top in the university. So, knowing him for his academic excellence, apart from that, Puneet is also having very much love for his writing skills and presentation skills. Having much love for mechanical engineering, Puneet have joined the institution and he is proving himself to be the best. Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, you may be knowing the parent body of our institution, is conducting a program that is Yashas. Yashas is conducted for the aspirants of students who are willing to give their service for civil services like IAS or IPS or related. So, having that aspiration to continue his service to the society, Puneet had joined our Yashas program long back. From there, he joined our VCET family. Since then, he's been an excellent student in all the kind of profile. So today, Puneet have reached you with a presentation on student projects and VGST projects that Department of Mechanical Engineering has taken up. Quite interesting, and always the mechanical engineering is the one which is a real science engineering, so that easily a student can understand what is it all about. It is more of societal concern. All the projects which are developed will be having a direct impact on the society. So Puneet is here with his presentation on VGST or student projects of mechanical engineering. Puneet, shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
for my introduction.
Yes. All the best,
Okay.
Puneet. Yes.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
good day. Have a good day, students too. Yes. Over to you, Puneet.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, all. Uh, Hope everyone is healthy and doing well. Right. Uh, you can
Yes,
give replies. Okay.
yes,
Don't
good morning.
hesitate to give it because I'm just 3 years older than you. That's all. Because I have 3 years of experience than you. Only that much is the difference. Right. If any disturbance is there, like
Yes,
if audio is not proper, then our screen is not visible. You can say me. Okay.
yes,
Okay. Today's session is on VGST student projects, particularly on mechanical department. Uh, let's see what is today's agenda. Today we are seeing what is VGST, then why uh, we are focusing on VGST, how to apply, and what is the use. What are all the guidelines are present for applying VGST? KSCST. It is an association of VGST. Uh, we will see this. Then KSCST projects that are funded by uh, KSST in our college. Okay, these are all the things that I am
yes,
covering today. Apart from this, 2 to 3 topics apart from this section, like basics of mechanical engineering and something is there for you. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is VGST? VGST, its full form is Vision Group on Science and Technology. It's under the Department of Electronics, Information Technology, Biotechnology, and Science and Information under the Government of Karnataka. This is just an information you should know because when you're coming to second year or third year, if you know this, you can prepare for the projects, and for the good projects will be selected for that. So you can try that. And what is the objective? Objective is to encourage and promote science and technology education and research in the state. It is the program conducted by government of Karnataka to encourage and promote science in all fields, in engineering and medical also, uh, for supporting students who are doing research or doing projects, or who are in innovating something new. Now, what is VGST? Okay, why VGST? The basic idea is to get funds for the project, nothing else. Because some when I compare to mechanical projects, uh, most of the projects will cost more than 1 lakh. So arranging that much of money for our projects will be difficult. So we are approaching government, seeking that yes, my project is very good. We have to show that what the quality of our project, and we are applying for them to fund this project. This is how that works. Then the second one is it encourages research activities in the field of science, engineering and medicine, and to promote innovation and in research. Okay.
Yes.
Then how to apply for VGST? Uh, as I got some information from our faculty, VGST will put some advertisement, and that advertisement will be informed to staff and students. From college, they will inform us, and we need to prepare for that. And the college will select and sponsor 2 projects from each department. Other projects, if other students wants to apply for that, they can apply separately. But from college, they will select 2 best projects from each department. In the sense, now there are 6 departments, so 12 projects. Next, there are many divisions in VGST. First one is Center of Excellence in Science, Engineering, and Medicine. This mainly focuses on engineering. That means we will get the use of this department, this division. And another one is Center of Innovation, Innovative Science, Engineering, and Education. These two are mainly focused on engineering, and other than that, Karnataka Fund grant for infrastructure strengthening in science and technology in higher educational institutes. This is mainly focuses on infrastructure strengthening. So the first two are mainly very important for us. Then research grants for scientists, faculties. Uh, it is to promote, or it is to help the youth scientists. This division is made. Then award for research publications. If there any good research publications are there, they they will select them, and uh, they will give the awards. Faculty development program for engineering colleges. This is the another program. So totally 6 divisions are there, but first two are very important for us. Then there are various guidelines are there. I will show a separate PDF for you. You can see the screen, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. See. Here Uh, in the Center of Excellence in Science and Engineering and Medicine, they mentioned like to encourage the research activities in science and engineering. So engineering is there. So we need to focus on this section. And another one is Center of Innovative Science and Engineering. Both are there. These are the guidelines. The VGST grant releases under CSEM, CISEE, and Karnataka Infrastructure. That and the third one, schemes are for strengthening science and technology infrastructure facilities of the identified department in universities. So these are all the some guidelines. Actually, I'm not interested in explaining all this because uh, the guidelines may vary from year to year. I will show some how one project is applied for KSCST. Okay, one minute. These are all the guidelines. Okay, now uh, I will explain about KCST. KCST, it's an association of VGST. Its full form is Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology. For mechanical department, uh, rather than VGST, we should more focus on KCST because for our college, we got many projects that funded by KSCST. I will show you the list and some projects that funded by KSCST in further for the slides. It is the one of the first state science and technology (SNT) means Science and Technology Councils to be set up in the country. KSCST is an autonomous SNT organization under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka. In cooperation with Indian Institute of Science and several other premier research and development institutions, KSCST executes many projects and programs aimed at improving socio-economic conditions of people of the state. This is the body that funds the projects that have been invented or the projects that may be that are done by the students of Karnataka uh, to promote students. Okay, then there are many project sectors. The first one is energy. We know energy is very important now. There is a, I read in newspaper, I think yesterday, uh, there will be a scarcity of energy in Karnataka. Energy in the sense electricity, because of raining in raining in Karnataka. So the coal mines are not working properly. So the deficiency of coal supply is going to uh, affect our electrical energy production. And due to the rainy and the cloudy weather, the solar panels are also not efficient that much. And efficiency of solar panels is, I think, only 7 to 8, 15%. The conversion of energy and other modes of generation of energy is wind energy. So uh, combining all these things, all those energy supplying medias, we are not getting the sufficient amount of electrical energy uh, in in further days. So this was an issue that I read in the newspaper. So this is the area where we need much inventions. So like the improvement of efficiency in the solar panel is to be done. So maybe electronics people can think of it. And environment, anyone can say any problems in environments. Hello, is it audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Can anyone give any examples for problems in environment? There are many problems, is there?
Air pollution.
What?
Oil pollution.
Okay. Okay. I will give some more examples. Uh, Environment. When I say about energy, I said about the coal. In while generating sorry, while generating electricity, we are burning coals, right? Burning coals, and we are converting into steam. Then we are running the turbines. Thus, while burning coal, we are producing carbon dioxide, many gases. So ultimately, environment pollution happens, right? So again, we need some alternative for that. So many issues are there. You can find out and think of it. It may be helpful for you to understand the problems, and in the next step, you can give solution. Collectively, this becomes a project. Next sector is building technology. It's mostly related to civil because the buildings are growing day, from day to day. Okay, now another big issue, that is agriculture. There are many problems, right? Uh, because agriculture is the basis of India. So we need food. For that, we need agriculture, and uh, the research in agriculture we should do very much because uh, it is very complex actions. In the sense, we are dealing with soil, we are dealing with water. Uh, Developing machines is not easy. So there are very plenty of problems are present in agriculture. Then information technology. Nowadays, digitalization is a big boom, right? Everything becoming digitalization. So while everything becomes digitalization, we need to focus on the cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, in the sense, there are people who do good, and there are also people who do bad. So we need to secure our data. So we need cybersecurity for that. Then health. The major issue we find now is corona. The vaccination is done, but it is not the solution for that. It is not the complete solution for the corona, right? It's not that. And research is happening there. Uh, Actually, it is related to medical, but in the other hand, we can focus this problem in engineering way. Like, for example, we can use any artificial intelligence methods for detecting number of people in a room, and whether they are maintaining social distance or not. This type of systems can be developed, already developed, but the cost is quite high and it's not that much popular. And implementing them is quite difficult, right? Then rural industry. Focus, the industries are mainly concentrated in urban cities. like Bangalore or Mangalore. The distribution of industries in a even way should be taken. So otherwise, like concentration of is industries in one particular place will promote the people to leave rural area and to settle in urban area. These are all the six, and the seventh one is sorry, the eighth one is water, right? Uh, can anyone give some examples of problems that are arrived in water section? Hello, is there any? Is it my voice is audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How to apply for KSCST? It's the similar way to VGST also. I will show an application. See, you can click, you can observe this application. See, it consists of name of the college, project title, branch, and board theme. And this is some details about project guide and team members. And it also includes the scope or objective of the project. Can anyone say what is meant by objective of the project? Or objective, just an objective.
Goal.
Okay. Uh, can you elaborate
Intention.
something? Okay. Okay. Objective means something that we are going to achieve, something we are going to solve that thing only. Then methodology. Methodology means the way how we are going to solve. Uh, you can understand you, you, when you when you enter into engineering, and it consists of the applications of the project. So this way uh, we need to apply for KCST in the sense they should see what are all the applications like and the way how you think. It's all about how you are presenting your plans for the KCST body. So this is what the ultimate aim of this application. This is the CAD model that is done by the software, and this is the drafting. Okay, let's see. Let's continue with PPT. Okay, now I will give some KSST funded projects in Department of Mechanical Engineering. These are the list, and the highlighted projects are funded by KCST, and there are some projects funded by other organizations like a Rotary Club and a Selco Foundation. This is just a list. Okay, first one is design and fabrication of wheelchair cum stretcher, design and fabrication of rubber tapping machine, design and fabrication of dried arecanut collecting and packing machine, fabrication of unmanned robotic pesticide sprayer and harvester for arecanut plantation, then designing and fabrication of vertical head pneumatic system waste plastic recycle. I shown the application, right? The application of this project, it is funded 8,000 rupees, and a design and fabrication of mini sugarcane harvester. Then in 16th 17th year, design and fabrication of mini sugarcane harvester. Then in 15 and 16, fabrication and analysis of fuel extractor from waste plastic. These are all the uh, projects that are funded by KSST in our college from 2009, 2015 to 2020. Let's see some projects that are funded by KSCST. Design and fabrication of rubber tapping machine. See this video. Right. This is just a machine that, see, you can see the design, right? Is it audible? Is it visible, right?
Yes.
See, it's not a very big problem. It's a simple problem they took, and they found that there is no any other way. The workers are using manual methods to tap the rubber. So they considered that and they found the solution. This became a project that is funded by the KCST. The simple thing got got the attention of a Karnataka society, or KCST. Okay, I will give another example. This is another project that is funded by KCST. Fabrication of unmanned robotic pesticide spray. Okay, this is, you can observe the machine. Okay, then design and fabrication of vertical head pneumatic system. This is the CAD model that I already shown you. Then how to initiate a project. This is quite important. So identifying a problem is very important. You get problems in your society also, in your society only, where you are there. There will be many problems. For example, if you are a son or daughter of a agriculturist, you will surely know what all the problems they had. So only engineers are going should solve that problems. And most of the time there will be problems, but we are not identifying it. So even problem is very simple. You should get a proper solution. This is what the intention. So consider it if even the problem is very simple. Then analyze the problem. Analyzing in the sense, you should study the problem very uh, detailedly, because you should understand the problem, then you will get the proper solution. Then when you have a problem, find, is there any existing solutions for that? If present, what is the cost and efficiency? As an engineer, your ultimate aim is to reduce the cost and increase the efficiency, right? Everyone wants very less costly and highly efficient machine, or anything. It may be anything. We need we need cheaper and we need high quality. Then prepare your solution for that problem. Then compare with the other solutions that are already existing, and how compare how effective the solution is. If it is not, then again improve it. Bring so that its cost is less than the existing product or the solution, and efficiency is more than that. Then if you should also check for feasible in the sense, whatever you are going to give as a solution, it may be product, it may be in a software, it may be in app applications. It should be in the feasible in the sense, it should be manufacturable. It should be something that is working in reality. Are you understand this 6 points?
Yes.
Okay. Then I will give a brief about what's engineering. You're now in maybe in 1 to 2 months you are entering into engineering. So you should know what is taught for you in next 4 years. So I'll start from first year. First year is in first year you are not with basic science. uh, Basic science in the sense physics, chemistry, mathematics, all those things, and some uh, uh, core branches like electronics also you are taught. Then uh, electronics, mechanical, electronics, computer science, all those things you will be taught. Then in second year, you are taught with basics of engineering, and it will be very important because if you don't know the basics, it's not possible to do any solution because everything starts in the second year only. In the first year, you are going to understand the science, and by applying those sciences, you are understanding the basics of engineering. You know, right? The difference between science and engineering. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, I will. There are two answers. Science is something we are studying in depth, in the sense. uh, For example, if there is a material, we are going inside it because in the like we are seeing the crystal structures. You may heard this one in chemistry, right? Crystal structures, atomic packing number, all those things. This will be studied under science. And in engineering, you're not dealing with those type, and you are studying, you are applying all these things. You are not going in what in the science way. You are creating something new, in the sense, for example, uh, you can design a chair so that the load of the person should be sustained by the four legs. This is what engineering. I'm speaking more about mechanical engineering, so because I know more about mechanical engineering. Then in third year, you're going to learn application of engineering. For that, the two things are very important: basics of science and basics of engineering. You are designing there. For example, in mechanical, in third year, you are going to design a particular nut bolt, all the dimensions. So these are all the things that in come in for third year, and in final year you are applying all the 3 years knowledge into to create something new, to solve something, some problems. Okay, I will move for the next slide. Okay, now I will give a brief idea of mechanical engineering, and all other branch students can relate with the same because all branches will have the same divisions, and you should identify when you are entering to engineering, because if you understand this, what are all the divisions available, then you can choose your career where you are fit. Okay, the first one available in mechanical engineering is design. The design field starts in the first year. In first year, you have two subjects. First one is elements of mechanical engineering, and another one is introduction to civil engineering, I think, or engineering mechanics. We say from engineering mechanics, the design field starts, and it goes like in second year you have song, then calm down. This goes like that, and the design field starts in the first year. The second one is thermal. Uh, this deals with the thermal division of the mechanical engineering. This starts in second year. The third one is production. This also starts in second year. You should focus on this because it's very important. Very big syllabus is there. Very large number of uh, subjects are there. Then it is the process. This is related to something management you will learn in third year. These are the four main categories of mechanical engineering. You should learn all these four, and you can choose where you are going to suit. First thing is design. You are going to create something, and second one is thermal. Thermal is related to, it may be mass transfer or the heat transfer, and the production something you are going to manufacture. How it is going to manufacture, process in the sense, something we should we should focus something like, every process should be done in a particular way. It should be done in a particular time. All these things. Okay, I hope something understood you. Understood, right?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Uh, let's play a game. Uh, I don't know any seniors played already with you. I believe the game is like,
Nothing
uh,
so far. Puneet, you proceed.
okay. Uh, I will say a number, and you should continue the series. For example, if I say one, you can say two, or you can say two, three. Okay. Otherwise, I can say one, two, and you can say only three, or you can say two, three, and the series goes up to 20, and the person who says 20 will be the winner. Okay, understood? Hello.
Okay.
Uh, I need two volunteers to play this. Uh, anyone ready now? Just voluntarily speak. Hello. This is just a serious game, not. Uh, this will end in 2 minutes.
Hello, students. Just take it as sportive, as active participation. Anyone, random.
And it is very interesting. Did you understand the game?
Okay, we have a participant there, Karthik Kumar.
Hello, Karthik.
Yes.
You should
Hello.
unmute your mic and you should say. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, you understood the game, right?
No.
No. Okay. I will explain it. I will say one number, or you can say one number. In the sense, if I say the series starts from 1 and ends with 20, the person who says 20 is the winner. And
Okay.
the series goes like this. If I say 1, you should say 2 or 2, 3. You can say two numbers at a time or one number at a time. It's your strategy. Okay.
Bro, can you explain it? Okay.
Okay. For example, uh, it's just a game of series of numbers. We are saying just numbers. If I say 1, you are going to say 2, or you can say 2 or
Ah,
3. 2, 3.
okay.
Okay. Then I will say 4, or I
Ah,
can say 4, 5. Then you should say the next number. The series goes like, and at the end, who says 20 will be the winner. Understood?
okay.
Okay. Either you are going to start or I going to start.
Puneet, Puneet,
Okay.
lot of disturbance is there, whether it is from your end or it is technical end.
Actually, I
Lot of
think
noise is there. Yes. Uh, for a second, can Karthik Kumar can go on mute so that I would come to know whether it is from Karthik end or Puneet end? Yes, it is Karthik's end. Okay, Karthik, maybe some technical issues. it is just till the completion of game, no? So please
Yeah.
proceed. You can unmute and have a number logic game with Puneet.
Hello, Karthik.
Hello.
Okay. Either will you start the game or I should start?
Hello.
Hello, is it audible, ma'am or Karthik?
No,
Puneet is
network is
audible,
lagging.
but a
Yeah.
lot of network lag is there. So
Yes.
whenever Karthik speaks, lot of noise is coming.
Yes,
Maybe it
ma'am.
is a bit harsh for the receiver to receive.
Nearby there is carpenter shop.
Karthik, very sorry, Karthik. It can't be taken, I think, because
Okay, ma'am.
it's very much disturbance for the rest of the crowd. I appreciate your wholeheartedness to be the part of the game, and you volunteered. That is well appreciated. Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
Karthik. Puneet, if you
Thank you,
need to
ma'am.
continue, you can ask another participant who have
Yes,
very
sir.
good
Yes, ma'am.
network at their end,
Anyone
or
interested?
else, yeah.
Please, this was very interesting, and I need one participant now. Please. Else, okay. Show them right. Just unmute yourself.
You have two, Rahul TK and Shodhan Rai. Okay,
Okay.
so with that
Okay.
you can later conclude. Yes.
Okay.
Please proceed with them, Puneet.
Okay. Anyone? Rahul, are you ready now? Are you understand?
Yes.
Understood the game?
Yes.
Okay. Will you start or I should start?
I will start.
Okay. Start.
1, 2,
Okay. 3,
4, 5,
6,
7,
8,
9, 10,
11,
12,
13, 14,
15, 16,
17,
18.
19, 20. This is the winner.
Okay.
Okay. Can you play once more?
Okay.
Okay.
You will start.
Okay. 1, 2,
3,
4, 5,
6, 7,
8,
9,
10, 11,
12, 13,
14,
15, 16,
17,
18, 19.
20. Who is the winner? Okay. The next person, can you play with me?
Yes.
Okay. Will you start or I should start?
You will start.
Okay. 1,
2, 3,
4, 5,
6,
7, 8,
9,
10, 11,
12, 13,
14,
15,
16, 17.
18.
Okay. 19, 20. Who is the winner?
Okay.
Can you play again?
Okay.
Okay. Will I start or you will start?
I will start.
Okay, start.
1, 2,
Okay, 3.
4, 5,
Okay, 6,
7,
8,
9,
10, 11,
12,
13, 14,
15, 16,
17.
18, 19.
20.
For the winner.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Madam, ma'am,
Yeah, Puneet. Yeah.
can
Uh,
I
that was
continue or
no. You proved them what you wanted to prove, but it's a nice game. I just
actually, if anyone
yeah.
interested, actually, I'm speaking about the time. It's already 11 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, I got to know. That's why I'm coming to the conclusion actually. But you
Okay.
conveyed that's a nice mind game. Just you need to play with some numbers. But while even I was following the track, but even honestly speaking, I couldn't make it.
Yeah.
You can
Actually,
show me
actually it has a
claps.
message, and I should
Yeah,
say that.
yeah, yeah. So please
Okay.
cover it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Actually, I'm ending here because it's already 11. My slot was 10 to 10:30. Okay. Uh, in this game, the ultimate aim is to get 20 right. We should say the number 20, right? Is so we need, uh, for example, if I should say 20, the previous number or its previous number, like 19 or 18, should be said by other person, right? So for that, I should get the 17. If I say 17, then the other person will say either 18 or 18, 19. So I will get 20. And similarly, the previous number what I should get is the 14. If I get 14, the other person will say 15, 16, right? The pattern goes like this, and at the end we should like for, I should get 14. Then in the previous number should I get is 11. The previous number should I get is 8, and the previous number I should get is 5. Then the previous number I should get is 2. So I in this game, the difference between you and me is I know the logic. You didn't know. That's okay. I don't feel bad because this has a message. Because in this I need to catch 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and 20. For catching 20, I should catch 2. I should catch 4. I should catch 5. Okay, let's compare this with your goals. Let's assume your goal has 20, and if you want to catch the goal 20, you should catch your number 2. That's today's time. Today's time, if you catch today, then surely, like the game, you can catch 20. It's all about from my side. I hope something helped for you. This game was played with me in one of the placement training here. So I thought this will be helpful for you people who are entering to engineering. You have 4 years of time. Try to utilize your time in the best manner so that you will reach the number 20, means your goal. It may be any job, it may be any marks, it may be anything. First, set a goal, then utilize or then catch the number 2 today. Thank you for the opportunity, and thank you all the participants.